Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how you can invisible change the colors. It works only if you crochet with the chain stitch on the begin and with the slip stitch on the end of round. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Today I will crochet with the cotton yarn, but you can use any yarn. And we need matching crochet hook, scissors and sewing needle. Today I will working with 30 stitches in the round, therefore I will show you first how to crochet these first 4 rounds. I start with the magic ring. And crochet first round 9 single crochet in the ring, eight and 9. Now pull yarn and close the ring and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. Second round, chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitches. At the end we have 18 stitches. 17 and 18. Finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. Round number 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 24 stitches, 2 single crochet in the last stitch, and again finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. And round number 4, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round, but here in the last stitch I crochet only 1 single crochet. And now cut yarn, pull yarn, and I will sew the last stitch. This is stitch number 13. In this first stitch from the front to the back, and in this last stitch only through the back loop from the front to the back. And now we have 1 circle and all stitches looks the same. This yarn I sew on the back side, and now we can change the color. Here is the last stitch, and with the second color I start somewhere here, not on the same place. I put the second color, pull yarn through the loop and pull yarn. This is the first stitch. And now very simple, 1 single crochet in every stitches to the end of round. And last 2 stitches. finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. And now looks like this. I chose these two colors, but very dark color is not good for video. And now next round, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in every stitches. And the last stitch, and again cut yarn. If you want, you can crochet more rounds. Pull yarn and again sew the last stitch. This is the first stitch from the front to the back, and in last stitch through the back loop, and round is finished. Now sew this yarn this way, and this starting yarn this way. Then looks this color shade change better. And again, here is the last stitch. I put first color, start somewhere here, first stitch, and 1 single crochet in every stitches to the end of round, and the last stitch, slip stitch in this first stitch, and now looks like this. Again chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitches, and you can crochet so many rounds how many you want, or you can change more colors like here. It's very simple. You can increase the stitches, decrease the stitches, and this pattern is very good if you like details. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.